Why parking IoT is important? Because the increase of the population will increase the needs of transportation. The increase of need of transportation will increase the parking space dependency. Public transport are more sustainable for environment, but private vehicles still needed due to conveniences. Driverless sharing car may be a solution, but the tech still far away. Therefore, IoT-enhanced parking system is more achievable tech for the time being. Advantages of smart parking than the traditional is IoT make the walk smarter and easier. Traditional parking system has difficulties to find vacant spot, which may cause a lot of traffic, minor collision, and accident in the public.
For decades, utilities have produced electricity in central power plants, distributed it to your home, and then sent you the bill. However, the way we live has changed, and this limited one-way interaction cannot meet the more complex demand for energy in the 21st century. So now, our electricity grid needs to change too. It needs to become smarter, enabling a two-way communication between you and the utility with increased flows of information and energy. This is the smart grid, but how will it work? Smart meters and sensors will provide rapid two-way flows of data, which will allow both you and the utility to know exactly how much energy is being used at any given time. With a smart device, you will be able to monitor your energy use and make changes instantly to control your energy costs.
However, as the previous video shows, one of the requirements of this mitigation is all the appliances connected should be smart enough to be controlled remotely. This will raise another issue of electric waste, as people need to change their old not smart yet appliances in order to access these features. So this becomes the background of our project to turn old appliances into smart appliances without changing them to new ones fully. Another way to saving energy is by decreasing vampire energy. Therefore, we want to add the features of overcharging preventions to decrease these cases. Studies has found that vampire energy loads account for 5 to 10% of the total energy in residential homes and account for 1% of the world carbon dioxide emissions. Take this action to avoid paying for this vampire energy drugs. Unplug electronic charger and appliances when not in use. So we would like to make automating this process to unplug electronic when we don't use them. The project scope is limited to retrofitting analog appliances with smart plug and does not include the development of new IoT devices or the creation of new smart home energy management system. And therefore, we would like to use the technology from Tuya. So the design system will be user can make the setting of what time they want to turn on and turn off the devices via the PHP frontend, which is the web server, and the data will be passed on toward a SQL server that is controlled in Python, which is we can use that to turn on and off the application via the SDK from Tuya. And the controller to check whether the appliance is already fully charged or not is use Android and Flux.